How to delete multiple emails in AOL all at once. So go ahead to your account for your AOL you want to delete mail from, of course, and go ahead to your inbox. So what you're gonna have to do is press and toggle on the mails you want to delete, and then you could delete them all at once. But if you want to select all at the same time, you're gonna have to choose the box at the very top. So pressing on the one there will just toggle everything at once. If there are some emails you want to untoggle, just go ahead and click on that, of course, and it should just turn into a white blank space. And then whichever is toggled and then you press on delete will be the ones that will be deleted. So as of now, AOL Mail only has those features where you have to manually toggle whichever mail you want or untoggle them, or the select all feature. There isn't a filter yet, but going into the more section doesn't really give you that. But these are the only options you have if you want to bulk delete mail in AOL. So either selecting this top box, which toggles everything, or selecting as much as you can and then untoggling the ones you don't, or just not toggling the ones you don't want deleted. So hopefully the information of this video can still help you though, and if you can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.